Hello, here we are with an unboxing and hands-on with the Oral-B Genuis 8000, one of the newest premium Smart Series electric toothbrushes from Oral-B. The Genuis 8000 sits below the Genuis 9000, coming in a little bit cheaper because it doesn't have quite the same features and box contents, but it's still an excellent and very capable brush with some of the best technologies available in 2016, the year in which this is launched. So the Genuis 9000 comes packaged like this. You get a rundown of some of the key features. So it's got position detection technology, thanks in part to the Bluetooth application that is available with this toothbrush. If we turn around to the side of the box, we get a rundown of some of the key box contents. We've got the toothbrush itself, a travel case, a charging station, 3 brush heads included. We've also got a smartphone holder. If we turn it around to the back, it shows the application in use, the fact that it's got a timer for tracking, and you've got the LED smart ring. We then come around to the other side. You learn that it's got 5 cleaning modes, the brush heads available, and the 3D cleaning action. So if we open up the brush, we pull open from the top here, and we're presented with the box contents when we remove this outer sleeve. So the Genuis 8000 comes in white colour only compared to the Genuis 9000 that's available in black and white. There is also an 8900 which is very similar to the 8000. The difference being you get 2 of these brush handles included in the box compared to the one with the 8000 on display here. So let's show you what you get. You've got the Genuis 8000 electric toothbrush, which we'll come back to in just a moment. You get provided with a white plastic travel case. So this is a simple case that holds 1 brush and up to 2 brush heads. It's just plastic in construction. We then have a standard charger if you've ever seen this before. So this is what the toothbrush sits on for charging. There's a little prong there that connects into the bottom of the brush. And on the other end of this charger is a 2-pin connector. This connects to sockets in a bathroom here in the UK or around the world. It's 220 volts. If you need to use it elsewhere, you may need an adapter. And if you wish to connect it to a 3-pin socket here in the UK, you will need to purchase an adapter separately. That's not included. In addition, you get the smartphone holder. This adheres to a mirror in a bathroom. It holds a variety of different size smartphones and allows you to position the phone in a secure location that it can track your movements and toothbrush cleaning habits when in use. So that is available there too. We then have the charging station. So the previously shown charger clips into this section here. We then have compartments for up to 4 brush heads. We get 3 included in the box. We then have a detachable lid that sits on the top like so, and that can be opened up to give access to the 3 or 4 brush heads you may store and sit nicely on a bathroom counter when not in use. We then have some documentation in the form of a manual in a variety of languages. So this explains how to use the Genuis 8000. We then have here, quite confusingly, a Genuis 9000 quick start guide, basically showing the exact same thing as is needed on the 8000, although it's labelled for the 9000. It's because the 8000 and 9000 share a lot of features. So this is showing you how to get started with the smartphone holder and the app and the position detection tracking that it offers. We then have a flyer here for an additional year's warranty. You get 2 years as standard, but 3 are available online by registering. And then you've got the different brush heads that are available for the Genuis 8000. Talking of brush heads, we get 3 included. So we've got a 3D white brush head here. We then have a cross-action brush head. And last but by no means least, we have the sensitive brush head. And that is all you get in terms of box contents with the Genuis 8000. If we then take a closer look at the brush, we can see here we've got the LED smart ring at the top. This is programmable with up to 12 different colours. That's controlled via an app for your smartphone, be that Android or iOS. We have the main power button. We have a function key for cycling through the different cleaning modes. You've got 5 different cleaning modes on this brush: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening and pro clean. So those options are available to you there. The Bluetooth icon, we've got the power icon here for the battery. This brush offers up to 12 days of battery life. We've got the Oral-B logo, the Braun logo. If we come to the bottom, we've got a recess here. This is where the prong from the charging stand goes. We move the brush round. We've got the gloss plastic on the front, but then on the back we've got this soft touch rubber grip that runs all the way round the back and round the sides a little bit until we turn to the front again, where we've got this front panel which is got the white power buttons and function key, and then we've got sort of a silver colour behind this, and these illuminate when the brush is in use. So if I just turn it on, you can see we've got the power icon showing, and as we cycle through the different modes illuminate. There is a pressure sensor built into here. This will illuminate red when too much pressure is applied. You've also got a timer and quad pacer. So there we have it. That's an unboxing and hands-on with the Oral-B Genuis 8000. Be sure to check out electricteeth.co.uk for a full review, more hands-on images and more details on how this brush works. Thanks for watching.